All right, everyone, this is ArmyguyTravels, and I'm gonna show you what happens when you have a bad Airbnb host and how they handle things. All right, so the other day I was in an Airbnb and there was a storm. Now, power's been going out all the time, internet goes out all the time, but stuff happens when you're on an island and sometimes just the infrastructure is not the best, right? Not always the host's fault. But then the storm happened and we had bugs. Thousands of them came under the door, and what you're about to see. And I had an issue. I called the owner, I showed her, she goes, "It's not my fault, it's not my fault." And I was like, "You don't have a level door. It is your fault." So she's just like, "Not my fault, not my fault, deal with it, clean it up." It took me 4.5 hours to clean, and you'll see why. Guys, this is what happens when you have an Airbnb host that just doesn't care. Now, normally, my Airbnb hosts have been pretty awesome. Wait till you see these bugs. I went 4 days without power, and I've gone probably 6 days without Wi-Fi. Now, I'm gonna give you some numbers so you know exactly what I'm paying and what I'm paying over at the new spot. I paid $600 a month. $600 a month at the other place. Now I'm paying about $1,000 a month. But guys, check this out. This is at Residencial, Alexandria, here in Sosua, Dominican Republic. Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, and watch. Airbnb. We had a storm. This door, I guess, wasn't level. And all of these are coming in. Thousands and thousands of these are coming in. And I call the owner and she says it's not her fault. The fuck is this? They're everywhere. Just spray it with off, I guess. There's no way. Just clean them. They gotta die first. They're everywhere. Hundreds and hundreds of them. Where's my cat? Hold on, Cosmo. All she keeps saying is it's not her fault. I can't do anything about it. But here I am, and I paid rent. Should just clean it. Spray off, I guess. The fuck is going on here, dude? Like, they're all over my fucking bed. How is it that they don't even have the fucking door level? Literally, this place was clean, and then the storm happens, and this is what happens. Like, literally, all over where I'm supposed to sleep. And her only response was, "It's not my fault." I'll clean it all up, I guess.
Yeah. My biggest problem is that people are not sure of their reputation.
That's fucking retarded, bro. I just opened the door I open the door and they're literally nowhere but right in this corner.
They're not in the door?
No, they're at the door. They're in my door and my neighbor's door and nowhere fucking else. That's wild. They must have got blown into this corner.
What from the neighbors? Probably coming from their place.
No, I'm sure, dude. He's like, he's chill. He's clean. It's not from his place, man. It must have just got blown in you heard the storm, right? All right, guys. So this is day after all the bugs, and the only response I'm getting from this lady is, it's not my fault. It's harmless flying ants, and it happens in the DR. Look, here's the deal. Yes, it happens. But when your shoddy work on the apartment happens, it makes it worse. Look, watch, ready? So, you can see all the way through the door, and those are bugs. All the way through. And then I have a towel to block other bugs from getting under, which entire ants and spiders can get through. And the power just went out again. Got bugs everywhere. I already cleaned it. Look, I cleaned them and they're already back. Like, that's the cupboard. Alright guys, so to finish up this whole video and what's going on, I got a new Airbnb today, and when I got to the Airbnb there was a minor issue. And you know what they did as a solution? They let me keep the other apartment till they get it fixed in the morning, and they gave me another one. See, that's how you handle it. That's how you handle it. No excuses, no, it's not my fault. Straight up, fix it, and there you go. So, just for that lady to understand, when you make a mistake, you just say, hey, you know what? Let me get it done. Don't blame it on everyone else.